Hey there, friends! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful for all my crypto enthusiasts out there. Ever wondered how to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance? Well, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. And don't worry, I'll make sure it's super easy to follow. So, grab a snack, sit back, and let's get started. Before we jump into the steps, let's quickly talk about what USDT is and why you might want to transfer it. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. It's widely used in the crypto world because it's stable and easy to move between exchanges. Now, why would you want to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance? Well, maybe you found a better trading pair on Binance, or you want to take advantage of lower fees. Whatever the reason, transferring USDT is a common task, and I'm here to make it simple for you. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty. I'll break this down into small, easy-to-follow steps. We'll cover everything from logging into your OKX account to confirming the transfer on Binance. And don't worry, I'll explain each step in detail, so you won't miss a thing. First things first, you need to make sure you have accounts on both OKX and Binance. Once you're all set, log into both platforms. It's also a good idea to have your 2FA, two-factor authentication, ready, as you'll need it for security purposes. Now, before you transfer, double-check that you have enough USDT in your OKX account to cover the transfer amount and any fees. It's always better to be safe than sorry, right? Alright, let's get into the actual transfer process. I'll walk you through each step, and I'll also show you what it looks like on the screen. Step 1. Log in to your OKX account. First, log in to your OKX account. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets tab. This is where you'll manage all your cryptocurrencies. Step 2. Locate your USDT balance. Next, find your USDT balance. You'll see it listed under your assets. Click on Withdraw next to USDT. Step 3. Enter the withdrawal details. Now, you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. This is where you'll input the amount of USDT you want to transfer and the destination address. Make sure you select the correct network. For USDT, you can choose between networks like ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20. I'll explain the differences in a bit. Choosing the right network is crucial. ERC20 is on the Ethereum network, TRC20 is on the Tron network, and BEP20 is on the Binance Smart Chain. Each network has different fees and transaction times. For this guide, we'll use the TRC20 network because it's faster and has lower fees. Now, switch over to your Binance account. Go to the Wallet section and click on Fiat and Spot. Find USDT and click on Deposit. Binance will generate a deposit address for you. Make sure you select the same network you chose on OKX, in this case, TRC20. Copy that address. Step 5. Paste the address in OKX. Go back to OKX and paste the Binance deposit address into the withdrawal address field. Double-check that the address is correct. One wrong character, and your USDT could be lost forever. Step 6. Confirm the withdrawal. Once everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal. You'll likely need to enter your 2FA code for security. After confirming, OKX will process the withdrawal. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary depending on network congestion. While we wait for the transfer to complete, let's talk about what to do if something goes wrong. If the transfer takes longer than expected, don't panic. Sometimes, network congestion can slow things down. You can check the transaction status on OKX or use the transaction ID to track it on a blockchain explorer. Alright, the transfer should be complete by now. Let's head over to Binance to confirm that the USDT has arrived. Step 7. Check your Binance wallet. Go to your Binance wallet and look for your USDT balance. If the transfer was successful, you should see the updated balance. If it's not there yet, give it a few more minutes. Sometimes, it takes a little longer for the balance to update. Step 8. Celebrate. And that's it. You've successfully transferred USDT from OKX to Binance. Give yourself a pat on the back, you just leveled up your crypto skills. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to keep in mind when transferring USDT or any other cryptocurrency. Double-check addresses. Always double-check the deposit and withdrawal addresses. One small mistake can lead to losing your funds. Choose the right network. Make sure you select the correct network, ERC20, TRC20, BP20, to avoid unnecessary fees or delays. Start with a small amount. If you're transferring a large amount, consider doing a small test transfer first to ensure everything works smoothly. Keep an eye on fees. Different networks have different fees. Always check the fees before confirming the transfer. Following these tips will help you avoid common pitfalls and make your crypto transfers a breeze. And that's a wrap. You now know how to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance like a pro. I hope this guide was helpful and easy to follow. If it was, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more crypto tips and tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more guides like this. Maybe we can cover how to transfer other cryptocurrencies or dive deeper into different networks. Your feedback helps me create content that's valuable to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy trading!